Hi, my name is Jacinda Ardern and I'm the Prime Minister of New Zealand. As a girl, I never ever grew up believing that my gender would stand in the way of me achieving whatever I wanted to do in life. And I want every girl, no matter where they are in the world, to have that same opportunity, that same perception. I'm looking forward to the day when a female leader becomes so commonplace that it doesn't even merit comment. And that will be the day when everything will have truly changed. It's clear we need more women around the decision-making table. We need stronger female representation to drive solutions to those issues that are having devastating impact on people, particularly on millions of young girls and women. Barriers like poverty, lack of education, access to reproductive health, gender inequality, pay inequity and violence all remove a woman's choice about her future. There's a tendency, I worry, in young women particularly to say that we don't have everything that it takes, to have that tiny seed of doubt over-amplifying in our minds and overtake everything else. If we continue to allow that to dictate the decisions that we make, we'll be the ones left behind. We have to boost our women's confidence and help them overcome those tiny seeds of doubt.